I can't do this anymore. My drum won't spin, and my owner is looking at new $1,200 washers online. I'm a Maytag Neptune. I'm built like a tank, but inside, I'm paralyzed.
Don't blame her. Look at me. I'm the original motor, and my copper windings are fried.
For years, I spun that heavy wet drum, but my design just couldn't handle the strain forever.
And when he overheated, he took me down with him! I'm the original control board! My capacitors popped, my relays melted, and now I'm just a useless piece of charred silicone!
Is this the end of the line? Am I headed to the scrapyard?
We're obsolete. You can't even buy us as single replacement parts anymore.
Yeah, if you try to swap just one of us, the other one will blow it up in a week!
Hold on, team. Nobody is going to the scrapyard today. I'm the upgraded motor from the Maytag Neptune 1200-2039 motor conversion kit.
And I'm the newly engineered heavy-duty control board that comes right in the box with him.
We are a complete package deal. A total heart transplant for your Neptune.
Maytag designed us together because the old system was too weak. We are built to work as a team.
Look at these heavy-duty coils and my reinforced rotor. I can spin a massive load of wet towels without breaking a sweat.
And I've got upgraded circuitry to handle power spikes, so I'll never overheat or short circuit.
Wait, so I don't have to be thrown out?
Not a chance. We slide right into your existing frame. It's a direct fit upgrade.
Our wire harness matches perfectly. It's a straightforward DIY job that takes under an hour.
I can feel the power! I'm going to spin at 1,000 RPM again!
That's right! Clean clothes, dry spins, and years of quiet operation.
For a fraction of the cost of a new washing machine.
My owner is going to save so much money, and I get to keep doing what I love!
Thousands of Neptunes have been saved by this exact kit.
Don't buy a new washer. Save your Neptune instead.
Tap the link below to get your 1200-2039 conversion kit today and bring your washer back to life!